To make a show here is really just incredible because it's part of Limerick's history. It's an amazing space, and to see it redeveloped and to see Limerick people's stories kind of enacted within it is just a really exciting thing for me to do. I'm obsessed with making shows in unusual spaces. I make shows in self-storage buildings and hotels and cafes, and this is just a beautiful site. So it's really just inspiring to make a show here.
And I'd imagine it comes with its challenges as well. It's an old building.
It certainly does, yeah. It's cold, for sure. It's cold. It's warmer outside than it is inside. There's issues with electrics. There's all sorts of different health and safety issues. And also just thinking about how we move our audience around from space to space and making that feel interesting and enjoyable for them. So there's a lot of logistics to think about.
And I suppose, what are you looking forward to most on the evening?
On the evening, I am really looking forward to how an audience experiences the different angles of the story that Mike's written and that we've developed together, and seeing the audience being separated and then coming back together at the end and then sharing their experiences with each other and thinking about how this strike affected different people and how different people's opinions, no matter what the strike is or what politics you're from or what angle you come to something from, is like, I think the show will really be a starting point for a cool conversation.